Hey guys, welcome back to another Discord bot tutorial video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make command cooldowns using discord.js or node.js. So to start off, we're going to open up our bot in Visual Studio Code, and we're going to create a new const. We're going to have this const equal new set. Then we're going to put parentheses. There we go. So const cooldown equals a new set, just like that. And next, we're going to go to whatever command you want to have with the cooldowns. So I'm going to start off with hello. Of course, you'd put this on any one that you would like. If cooldown dot as, then we're going to have it track the message dot guild dot id. Or if you wanted it to track based on user, you do message.author.id or you do message.channel.id if you're doing channel. I guess I'll just do channel for now. So that, we're going to have it return. Next, we're going to go to the bottom of your command. So after everything is triggered or everything's done, you'd put you'd put cooldown dot add, and then message dot guild dot id semicolon, and then we're going to set a timeout. That's essentially just a timed function. Then an arrow function and cooldown dot delete message dot channel dot id. Make sure these are all the same, otherwise it's not going to work properly. So you have cooldown has message.channel, cooldown.add message.channel, cooldown delete message.channel. Next, we're going to go in between here, put a comma, and put the amount of milliseconds it will be before you can use the command again. A millisecond is just a thousand of a second, so 1,000 milliseconds would be a second. So if you wanted it to be 10 seconds, be 4 zeros into 1, etc. Okay, now let's go ahead and test this out. Control tilde or command prompt open and do node dot. Now open up the meme champ server. I'm going to test this out. I'm going to spam hello. As you can see, it did not react to all of the messages. If we did not have that cooldown in place, it would have done all that. So, and that's about it for this video. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to make economy commands, most likely. Otherwise, it'll be something good, I promise. So, thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.